Most people don't get overlooked because they're bad at their job. They get overlooked because how they poorly communicate problems. If you've ever felt like you're doing a good job but not getting recognized for it, this is probably why. Most people explain problems something like this. We've been having some problems. Things aren't going well. I'm still looking into it. And that all sounds vague. It sounds uncertain. And it kills confidence of those above and below you. The people who stand out just don't bring problems. They bring structure and possible solutions. Same situation, but they explain it differently. And they make a recommendation. Let me show you the difference. When someone says, we've been struggling to hit deadlines, that's a problem sentence. Versus somebody who says deadlines are missed on 4 of the last 6 projects because of our approval process, which causes delays. I recommend a process for streamlining approvals to fix that issue. Same problem, completely different level of control of the issue. When you communicate like that, people start seeing you differently. You sound clear. You show more confidence. More like someone who can lead. Isn't that what they're looking for? If you want to get better at this, take one problem you're dealing with right now and structure it like that. And if you want the full system, examples and templates, I put it together in a simple guide below. See you on the next video.